Hey guys, I'm back today with this month's Quilty Box. Let's dig right in. I look forward to this box every month. Let's see what's in it. Okay. Bundles of Inspiration featuring Latifah Safar. November issue. Latifah Safar is here, and you can find her at latifahsafarstudios.com and on Facebook and Instagram. And there's how you spell her name, so you can look her up. And the card also has what's in the box on the back. So let's dig in. Let's see. Oh, I love these. This is a fabric glue pen. I used the last one I got in one of my other boxes, and I really like this. It's really helpful. And it even comes with an extra glue stick. This is by Sew Line. It says quick, convenient, effective way to hold fabrics for sewing easier than pins. For certain situations, it's very useful. You just pull it off, and here's the glue. And then the extra one is in here. And you just turn it to raise it. So that is one of my must-haves for sewing. And this retails for $7.95. And what else is in here? We have some green thread. This is from Italy. It is Aurifil 100% cotton. And it is, let's see, number 2865, I think. There's that. And what else is in here? We have another thread. This is kind of a orangey, burnt orange color. Here's the number. And that's Aurifil also. And the two Aurifil threads retail for $4.99 each. And we have this is by Latifah Safar Studios. It's the Clammy 6-inch. Looks just like a clamshell, but it's so much more. 5 shapes. And here's all the shapes that it does. And here's what it looks like. It says cutting directions included. Cutting directions included for all 5 shapes. Clamshell, glam, clam, circle, half circle, orange peel, and drunkard's path quarter circle. Clammy is also available in 8-inch and 12-inch sizes. So here, in case you can see it, here's what it looks like. Retails for $15. And the last item is fabric. Me plus you. And that's cool how they have it folded all like a star. Retails for $32. And that includes 8 fat quarters. Me plus you. Oh, it's got popsicles on it. Let's see, this is always kind of knotted up. Like I said, I don't like to undo it because I store it together so I know where it goes. And I'll store it with the pattern. Okay, there we go. Okay, this one has alphabets on it. I don't know if you can see the N, O, P, Q, R. That's cute. And this one is like bricks. And this is a geometrical squares. This one is like paint splatters. That's really cute. And this one is the alphabets in gray. And another geometrical shaped squares in the gold color. The mint green. Just kind of stripes. And the popsicles with gray background. I thought that's really cute. So, let's see what pattern it is. And as usual, a message from Patrick. And this is your featured artist, Latifa Safar. She's been sewing for most of her life. She was making her own clothes when she was still just a girl growing up in LA. And that precious, crafty child grew up to study mechanical engineering, and she pursued engineering as a career. However, when Safar brought her trained engineer's eye and meticulous sewing skills to quilting, a new love blossomed, and she soon found herself with a parallel career as an artist and teacher. And she co-founded the Modern Quilt Guild in 2009, and this organization grew quickly. Now with more than 150 guilds in the US and worldwide, the MQG is a vibrant community of innovative quilters. So it tells more about her as questions and answers. This is tessellation inspired quilting. Ooh, that's pretty. So there's the quilt to go with that fabric. The slap bracelet quilt pattern retails for $5. Which that one looks really nice and easy. It's called Slap Bracelet Quilt. Takes 8 fat quarters and 1 additional yard, or 4 fat quarters. You need the clammy 6-inch and the sew line glue stick. There's how it shows laying it out. And let's see, that was last month's Quilty Box. This is called, oh, and they have the new box, the Quilty Box Mini. This month's Quilty Box Mini has a full-size charm pack, spool of thread, charm pack pattern, and bundles of inspiration magazine. And that is $23.99 if you do it month to month. 3 months $21.99, 6 month $20.99, 12 month $19.99 plus shipping. Oh, plus free shipping. And this is the subscriber spotlight, Tabby Brown. You can look her up on the Quilty website. There'll be a story about her. And next month's sneak peek is Felicia Regina. And I love her purple hair. So that is everything this month. I'm looking forward to making this quilt. I'm gonna probably I'm still working on my pink lemonade quilt, which it's right here still. So I've been working on that. I did make a boo-boo, and luckily I had a piece of fabric that matched to make up for it. So that's why I'm behind on that, because I'm a beginner. So after that one, I will definitely work on this one, because I really think this one's cute, and I think it should go together quick. So, like I said, I am working on my pink lemonade quilt. I'm sorry for those of you waiting. It is in the works. It's just very time consuming to try to record it and do step by step, and then I make mistakes. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments, and I will have a link down below where you can check out the Quilty Box and a bunch of other links to my other sites. And I also have also have a link for an app that saves you money when you shop, and it is legitimate. I've used it for a long time, and I've already made like $400 back in rebates of just from grocery shopping. So again, if you have any questions about that as well, just ask and I will get back to you. So thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.